In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your file or like pages in Adobe Acrobat. So first thing, you have to move to the top section and you can see this magnifying glass. That's a find texture tool. We're not going to click on that. Right beside that, you can see this icon. If you hover your pointer there, you can see that it says save to computer. Simply tap into that icon and it will lead you this interface. Simply tapping, you can either choose any of the folder. So let's say I'm going to choose a different folder over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna name it this way only. So let's say save. All you have to do is tap in this option that is save, and there you go. I think it has been saved. So this is basically how you save your files or your pages in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. Thank you for watching.